The wheels of your car are supposed to move parallel to each other and perpendicular to the road they're moving on. If they're doing anything but that, then congratulations, your wheels are out of alignment. Hey guys, this is Tech Fanatics, and in this video, we're going to tell you science with the help of which you can tell if your car is out of alignment or not. Number 1, the steering wheel of your car is not centralized. If you're driving your car on a straight, leveled road, then the steering of your car is supposed to sit perfectly centralized and straight with the car. There is always a small amount of error that is allowed depending on the banking of the road. But otherwise, the steering should always be straight, centralized, and the emblem should also be straight and with level with the steering. If your steering is off center by a few degrees in either direction, then yes, you have to take your car to a service station and get the wheel alignment checked. Number 2, your car is pulling to either left or the right side. Just like in the first point, if you're driving your car on a straight, flat, level road with your steering being centralized and instead moving in the straight direction, your car is moving to the left or the right side, then yes, the alignment of your car is out and you need to get it checked. Number 3, abnormal tire wears at certain spots. A tire wear pattern can tell a lot of useful information about your car's condition. If the inside and the outside edges of your tire have been worn, that says that there is a problem with the camber adjustment. And if there is feathering and scalloping, it shows a problem with the toe adjustment. If you observe any of these two, you need to get your car checked for the wheel alignment. Number 4, the handling of your car may feel sloppy. If you drive your car and the steering of your car feels loose or unstable, that can be an indicator of poor wheel alignment. This can be felt on roads if your car is wandering off the road and it's making you feel uncomfortable when you're making long turns. Such a loss of confidence can cause life-threatening accidents. So yes, if you feel your car steering wheel is out of control or is unstable, you need to get your wheel alignment checked. Number 5, your steering is not returning to its center position. After completing a turn, your steering is supposed to naturally come back to its centralized position. Of course, you need to have your hands on the steering wheel to avoid accidents and mishaps and to help the steering come back to its position in a very fast way. But if your steering is not even trying to get back to the center position by itself, then yes, the wheel alignment of your car is out and you need to get it checked. These are the 5 ways with the help of which you can check if the alignment of your car is out or not. Incorrect wheel alignment can cause a host of problems like drivability and premature wear of your tires. If there is any of these problems that you observe in your car, then take your car immediately to a service center and get it checked for the wheel alignment. But always remember to get your wheel alignment done from a trusted service center. And how do you know if a service center is trustworthy or not? Well, if they have the machines of Tech Fanatics with them, then it's certainly trustworthy. Tech Fanatics provides with the best wheel alignment machine throughout the Indian subcontinent. So yes, if any service center or a garage is using the equipments by Tech Fanatics, you can close your eyes, trust them and take your car to them and they will fix it. Alright guys, this is it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't already. This is Tech Fanatics. See you in the next one.